to the adventures of SCEF and
Santha.
Santha, come on. Wow. Look at that Santha. What's that? Preserve things. I like Santha because not many people come. Just you and me together.
SCEF and Santha. SCEF and Santha. So we're back at it once again. And this particular part, we were here on the first episode. But this park is so big that we were not able to cover everything.
Yeah.
So here we are once again.
SCEF and Santha.
Getting our exercise on.
And a little bit stretching, yeah, Santha.
Yes.
Yeah.
Santha is a yoga teacher. And she has been teaching me some yoga stretches.
Just for beginners. No? Just for beginners, Santha.
And I feel very blessed to have her as a teacher. I know when I went to Indonesia and their whole family was sitting on the floor, I was like, whoa, how can I adjust?
So, Santha, my question is, you never sit on the floor here in America?
No, not really.
In Indonesia, like me, I'm a Bataknese. As a family, we have to sit on the floor, Santha.
Oh, gitu.
Yeah, we have a table, for family. But for special event, we have to sit on the floor.
Okay.
Wow, what's that, Santha? Ooh, wow, the turtle directly gone with the wind. SCEF and Santha. Santha, you give so. Thank you. Wow, so beautiful, Santha. Right now it's spring, right? Everything green. But later, when the winter comes, woo, Santha, everything brown. But right now, already green, so fresh. Santha, we started our adventures during the winter, remember?
Yeah?
Yeah, and then now already spring.
Okay.
So hopefully we will keep doing our adventure until winter, Santha.
Okay.
So meaning there's already 1 year. Woo! Wow, Santha. Oh, look at that, Santha.
And this particular park is near Highway 249, so you can hear the highway in the background with all the cars driving by. Don't that look like a picture, like a painting or something? So beautiful. Let's keep walking.
There is no the best painting in the world painted by God, sayangku.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Even though like Leonardo da Vinci, the man who paint Mona Lisa, that's nice, but he cannot paint the nature sign.
Oh, gitu.
Yeah.
So how long are we going to walk today, Santha?
1 hour?
1 hour? Yee. Ooh, okay, 1 hour.
1 hour. I think 1 hour enough as long as consistent,
Okay,
right?
1 hour. That sounds good. Of course, we won't film for the whole hour, but we'll put in an hour's worth of walk today.
Yeah.
This is more along the bicycle or the bike trail.
Yeah. Do you think maybe next time the adventures of SCEF and Santha using bicycles, sayangku?
Of course, Santha. Of course. Of course, Santha.
Sayangku is flying. Look there. Ooh. Wow, sayangku is flying. In front of you, sayangku. Exact. When you stop, he flies, sayangku.
Yeah.
Wow, wonderful FM here. The nature. We'll fly another one, sayangku. So they become together. Ooh, sayangku. Wow. Amazing, sayangku.
Yeah. So beautiful, my love.
Yeah. Wow.
Today's weather is nice. Look like we may get a little rain, but the sun is out.
Yeah.
That's always a plus when the sun is out.
Actually, the weather in Houston unpredictable, you know?
Oh, yeah?
Sometimes hot, sometimes cold. That's like extreme weather. Yeah, that's why I have to prepare to bring all the time my jackets because, you know, I can't predict.
Unpredictable weather.
Yeah.
That's for sure. That's Texas for you.
Oh, careful, sayangku. This is like, whew. Today.
You did not bring your hat today, Chintaku.
It's okay. My hair. I have hair, sayangku.
Oh.
You don't have hair.
Yee, Sanku. Yee. Yee.
Is that polite or not, sayangku?
That's okay.
It's okay, huh?
I brought my hat. I got my hat. It's okay.
Your African hat, sayangku.
Yeah.
That's their identity. You want to sit over there, Santha? Over here? No? Okay.
You tired, Santha? Already? We just got started.
Yeah.
We just got started, Santha. And we're here. What do you got there? What are you drinking there?
This is boba.
Boba? What's boba?
Boba is like the one with the boba. Do you know boba is like this?
Oh.
Like the one from jelly, like that.
Okay. Boba.
Like
Okay.
that.
Okay. Boba.
Boba. That's like.
Boba.
But you don't like boba, like.
I'm not a boba man. If that makes any sense.
Yeah, boba. We just.
What kind of boba is that?
This is like hazelnut.
Oh, okay. I
Hazelnut
like
boba.
hazelnut.
Hazelnut.
Is that kind of like a coffee or something?
Tea and hazelnut milk, something like that.
Oh, okay. I'm new to that, so I'm gonna stick to what I know. H2O.
What's that?
Water.
Oh, wow, Santha, you talk H2O. That's like chemical.
Yes,
chemical name.
that's water.
H2O.
Water. Air in Indonesian.
Welcome to the jungle. Oh my god, I feel scary now. You feel scary, Santha?
No need to feel scary. Sound cool.
Wow, Santha, don't need to scary. Another song, Santha. It's going to rain, my love. Hey. Little bit dark here, yeah, Santha. Wow, that's water, Santha. What is this, my love?
I don't know.
Oh, I know that. It's like school, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. This is the, you know, that if I preach here.
Boy
Hi,
Scouts of
Mom.
America. Troop
Yeah.
1550 Eagle Scout Project.
Yeah, and then that's the student also over there, right, Santha? For example, you are the teachers and I'm a student here. Yes, Mr. Scam. Like that, Santha. Wow, Santha, this is project. The Boy Scout.
bush over there.
Complete the Sangha. Oh, what's that Sangha? Which way, Mother? Careful.
Is that a little island, Sanku?
Yeah, that's like Samosir.
Samosir?
Samosir in the middle of the Lake Toba. I'm
Oh.
pretending this is in Sumatra, sayang.
Oh, Sumatra.
Yeah. Oh. Masih borong-borong, sayangku.
This park is huge, huh?
Yeah. I think we already walked like 30 minutes from here. Or more than that? I don't know. Oh, I like the wind. The wind's so segar.
Look at that tree. I've always been amazed by trees.
Yeah. And
They
the sky is
always
like,
have their own.
I have the sky in America. Like so blue, you know.
Yeah, we take the blue sky for granted. This is like never ending, Sanku.
Never ending trail. But it's okay. But you will sleep so nyenyak ya.
Oh, yeah?
Wow, sayangku. Over there, sayangku.
You'll try what?
Sit here, sayangku. Like this. Do you wanna come here, sayangku? It's nice, sayangku. Come here. Sit here, sayangku. Oh, sayangku. So peaceful ya here.
Yeah.
Inhale, exhale, sayangku. Inhale, exhale.
You doing your yoga thing?
Yeah, in yoga, breathing is very important, sayangku.
Why is that?
Because you know, in yoga not only the meditation or the movement, the style, but also the breathing, because our body needs like inhale, exhale, something like that. So not only we like that, like one package, not only the style things, you know, like tree or like, you know, the poses, but also the breathing things. Inhale, exhale.
And why is it important for us to do yoga? Because when I think of yoga, I think of just stretching.
I know not specific yoga. I think that's more to exercise. Yoga is like one of the same like jogging, the same like boxing or, you know, running. But maybe yoga like just more to stretching, because that's like You can do it at home, right? But if swimming, you have to go to swimming pool, right? That's like easier for some people to just do yoga at home, right? And right now yoga more popular, sayangku, because yoga can heal so many things, you know. Even yoga also can make you sleep so nyenyak. Your leg like trembling like that. So once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how about yoga together like this? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well done, Santha. But we have to try, my love. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We did it, Santha.
All right, I'm out here sweating after just doing some yoga poses with my teacher, Santha. And thank y'all for tuning in as always. SCEF and Santha.
I'm like in the Titanic. And